Dear students, now in this we will see about the diet, about their day-to-day diet. In the diet, people mainly use cereals like wheat. We are also using barley and rice. These three were the main item of their day-to-day diet. From this, they made different preparations. Like now, from the wheat only, we are using chapatis, and we are using the different preparation from the same like this, and they were also using this wheat, barley and rice to prepare many or different preparations. Now the word like java, godhum, vrihi, java, godhum, vrihi, these are the words used by the Vedic people, and now we don't know the meaning of this word, that is java, godhum, vrihi, but now etc. This we can say, or this word found in the Vedic literature. Yava means barley, yava means barley, godhum means wheat, and vrihi means rice. These were used by the Vedic people in their day-to-day diet. Now here you can see the picture houses in the Vedic period. Houses in the Vedic period. Here we learn about their diet. In their diet, mainly consisted of cereals, wheat, barley, and rice. The words they were using for this, that is java, godhum, and vrihi. Now houses in the Vedic picture, here you can see they were using some. They were domesticating some animals also. Like here you can see the picture of camel. Vedic people relished milk, yogurt, ghee, butter, honey, black gram or urad. Lentil means masoor, sesame and wheat were also a part of their diet. Now in the first para we learn about their diet like cereals, wheat, barley and rice. Not only wheat, barley and rice, they also include in their diet milk relished, or they are giving the importance to the milk, yogurt, ghee, butter, honey, black gram, lentil and sesame, and meat were also part of their diet. This is about the diet of Vedic people. This is their houses, and this is about their diet. Now here we can see people in the Vedic period used cotton and woolen garments. And do you know friends, cotton and this weaving cloth, it is the cotton, this crop first produced in India only, and India is known as the first country which has started the cotton farm. And they were using cotton and woolen garment. They also used valkalas or clothes made from bark of trees. Similarly, animal skins were also used as clothing. Men and women used ornaments or gold, flower, garland, strings made of beads, etc. A kind of pendant called nishka seems to have been popular. It was also used as a currency. Now here is about their costume, about their clothes. They used cotton and woolen garments, and this they also used valkalas or clothes made from valkalas means made from bark trees. And some peoples in the Vedic period, they also used animal skins as a cloth. Some peoples, they were using animal skin as a cloth, and both men and women are going to use ornaments which were made up of gold. Flower garlands were also used by them. Strings made of beads. Strings, now here you can see the ornaments that were used by the Vedic people: gold, flower garlands, strings made of beads, etc. And one of the very famous ornament of the time, that is nishka, or the pendant. A kind of pendant called nishka seems to have popular. It was also used as a currency, and these ornaments, these nishka or beads or garlands or flower garlands not, but this pendant or nishka seems to have been popular, and it was also used as a currency or as a means of exchange. Now here, singing, playing musical instrument, dance, board games, chariot race, and hunting were the means of recreation. Their main musical instrument were veena, shatatantu, cymbals, and the conch. These are some of the musical instrument that we will see in another video.